Toyota cars in India are all set to get more expensive from the 1st of October 2021. The Japanese car maker has announced the imminent price hike without specifying the percentage or amount that will be increased. The price hike will vary for different models and variants, and the company says it has tried to keep the hike in check without passing the entire burden to the customer. The company cited a rise in input cost as the primary reason for the price hike. Toyota is not the only car maker though to increase prices in this quarter. Other automakers including Maruti Suzuki, Tata Motors and Volkswagen hiked prices across their respective model range due to the rising input costs. The all-new Force Gurkha has been finally launched in India in a single fully loaded variant priced at 13,59,000 rupees ex-showroom. The new Gurkha can be booked for a token amount of 25,000 rupees at the company's dealerships or on its website. Customers will have customization options as well to further personalize the off-roader. Force Motors is offering a 3 years or 1.5 lakh kilometer warranty with the Gurkha along with a 4-year free service. The new Force Gurkha is built on a modular architecture but retains the ladder-on frame construction. It gets more upmarket elements like the LED DRLs, touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with dual airbags, ABS with EBT, tire pressure monitoring system and more. The boxy profile has been retained while power comes from the familiar 2.6-litre diesel engine with 91 brake horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque. It is paired with a 5-speed manual gearbox with 4x4. The Force Gurkha competes with the Mahindra Thar in the segment, which is about 60,000 rupees cheaper. Jaguar India has begun accepting bookings for the new I-Pace Black Edition, which is a more stylish version and adds a host of features to the electric SUV. The special edition version was globally introduced in April this year. The I-Pace Black gets the black pack that brings gloss black finish to the ORVMs, front grille, grille surround, side window surrounds and rear badges. It also gets the 19-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels finished in gloss dark grey shade. The cabin gets ebony leather sport seats with a gloss black trim finish all over. The panoramic roof is standard and complemented by the ebony headliner. The I-Pace Black is also available in the Aruba and Farallon Pearl Black metallic paint options. There are no mechanical changes and power comes from the familiar 2 electric motors with a 90 kWh battery pack. The electric SUV promises a range of 470 km on a single charge.
We simply love hearing from you. So your comments and feedback are important. Subscribe to our channel, react to this video, and of course, watch our other videos too.